What's up guys, it's your boy Hummy Hit VTech and I'm back with another video. Today we are joined by my S2000 because I'm doing an S2000 video. I got this product here and this is really cool. Check it out. Soft top replacement buttons. So this is made by BS Engineering. It's available on eBay for $45 free shipping. I don't know if they're a new company, but it's new to me, so I'm sharing it with you guys today in this video. Basically what it is 2 replacement buttons, 2 gears, 4 washers, and 4 screws. Very, very cool. Again, inexpensive, $45 free shipping. Buy it now. I give it a 10 out of 10 stars. I love this kit. Very cool. If you're missing a button or you're missing screws, order this kit. And then you'll have all this extra stuff just in case you run into a situation like I did recently. I put my soft top up and one of my buttons fell out and I can't locate it. I don't know where it is. It usually falls in the back and I can find it, but this time around I couldn't find it. So I was unable to latch my soft top on the passenger side, leading to water leaking inside the car. So we're gonna jump right in. I'm gonna get you guys a closer look to show you guys what all is included in this kit. And I'm gonna install it for you guys and we're gonna jump right in. All right guys, check this out. This is the soft top latch. Here we have a button, as you can see. I don't have the screws, so it wiggles like, oh shit, see? It just pops right out. You can just take this out. Look at that. You can just take this right the fuck out. And honestly, this is made out of plastic too. So you're really not missing out on much by buying the BS kit that's 3D printed. Uh-oh. I gotta figure out how to close this, to open this to show you guys now, because I just took the button out. I should have never done that. Cut. Here we are on top of the S2000 hood. Let me just show you guys basically what you get in this kit. Sorry for any background noise or if you can hear me handling the envelope. My microphone is really sensitive. Look at this. 3D printed. They're labeled. I can't catch it on camera, but they are labeled. See? It says R for right side. Also, the gears are labeled. These are only go in one way. This one says left, L. See it? Check it out. Yeah, very cool. You cannot buy this from the dealer, new. The buttons or the screws. Here's the screws, nothing fancy. Here they are. You screw these right in. I would probably put Loctite on them. But yeah, that's what you get in the bag. All right, I'm gonna close my soft top. I'm not gonna latch it, but I am gonna close it. So I'm gonna bring you guys in and show you how to open your latch if your button is missing. You just need a flathead screwdriver. All right guys, so obviously you guys saw that my button fell out. It fell out on the other side and I lost the button, so that's why I bought the BS Engineering replacement button kit. So if you're in a situation where your latch is closed, the striker is not on the car, you can't get this off, your button is just gone. Flathead screwdriver, kind of like a skinny guy, smaller one. Just take it, insert it, I guess insert it from the top. Well, if your gear is still in there, you can just push the gear. See what I'm saying? Like, if the gear is in there, the gear is right here. Hold on. See the gear? It's right here. You just press it. Press the gear with your finger. Squeeze it. This is what I'm talking about. This little gear here. Oh, what's going on here? Can you focus? this little gear. But if that gear falls out too, let's close it. Now, if you're in this situation, which is the worst one, you can't press the gear's gone, button is gone. Flathead screwdriver, push it in here, like at an angle. Oh man, this is so sketchy. Oh, you can get lucky. So what you're doing with the screwdriver is basically the screwdriver goes in and you're pushing on this. All right, see? You're pushing on this thing. It's hard, but like put it in there like this all the way and push up. I'll show you again. Screwdriver inside, and then make sure you're on it good. Push, boom, open, ready to install the kit. Two screws go here. The gear, make sure you got the one that says R, and make sure the button is R. So I'm gonna go grab that and come right back. All right, I'm back inside the car. Make sure you get the button that says R. See it? It says R right there. And then you get the gear that says R. R? Yeah. So get the gear, put the gear in. You want the R to be facing, what? Like this. It goes in like that. You see? R facing up. The R is there, it's facing up, because when you push on it, it goes like that. Now, you're gonna take your button, the R is on there, but it's gonna face the other R. You just put it in there like this. Oh, okay, there we go. Buttons just go on. You wanna test it before you put the screws? The screws go there and there, washer and a screw. You wanna test it? Close it. There's a button. Ooh, open the latch. Very, very nice. It works good. Yeah, this is what it looks like. Button and the gear. Just kind of finesse it on. Boom. It literally pops right in. I got the screws. This is a really small screw. You will lose it. If you drop it, you will lose it. There's the washer on it. And you need a really small screwdriver. You need a screwdriver that has a really fine tip. That's what she said. I don't know what that means. I'm so tired. It's 2 in the morning. There. You see that? I'm gonna try to put this on. Oh my god. Oh yes. Maybe put Loctite on it. I don't know. If you prefer to put Loctite on it, that might help with them not falling out. I'm so tired. I'm trying to keep this in focus. I'm sorry. Just screw it in. Maybe you don't want them too tight because you still want the button to slide. Like. Is that it? Are we done? So, test it. Wow, that works fantastic. Let's latch it. Oh man, that looks fantastic. And I think it works. Of course it works. Boom, you're done. you got yourself a new button, a new gear, new screws, and you don't gotta worry about your button flying off. I love it. It works great. Again, $45, free shipping, BS and engineering. It's 2 a.m. Help me hit VTech. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know if you want me to make more S2000 videos. I appreciate you guys. Let me get out of the car. I appreciate you guys. I'm going home. Buy that kit. It works great. I'm gonna be able to shut my soft top and not have leaks. See you guys in the next video.